Most people get this wrong when they think about starting a company in Monaco. They assume it is only for billionaires, celebrities, or secret offshore tricks. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Monaco is highly exclusive, but company formation is absolutely real and structured if you follow the official process. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start a company in Monaco in 2026, step by step. You'll learn the legal requirements, approval process, costs, banking, and the mistakes that stop most applications before they even begin. Let's start with the basics. Monaco is a sovereign microstate in Europe, known for its financial services, luxury economy, and strict regulatory environment. It is not a typical offshore jurisdiction. Everything is controlled and reviewed carefully by authorities. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most common structure used is a SAM, which stands for Société Anonyme Monégasque, similar to a public limited company. There are also SARL structures, which are more like private limited companies for smaller businesses. For example, imagine Alex is a wealth manager serving high net worth clients across Europe. Instead of operating from another country, he establishes a Monaco company to build credibility and operate within a prestigious regulatory environment. The first step is getting government authorization before incorporation. This is important. You cannot simply register a company instantly. You must submit a business plan and obtain approval from the Monaco government. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They underestimate how detailed the business plan must be. Authorities want to see real economic activity, local relevance, and financial stability. Next, you choose your company structure and proposed business activity. Your business must align with Monaco's economic interests. Activities like finance, consulting, luxury services, and asset management are common. After that, you prepare documentation. This usually includes passports, proof of address, financial background, detailed business plans, and sometimes bank references. Everything must be precise and compliant. In a minute, I'll show you the part that surprises most founders, and it is not incorporation. Once the government approves your project, you can proceed with company registration through a notary. This is a mandatory step in Monaco. The notary prepares legal documents and ensures full compliance with local law.d. Now let's talk about banking. Opening a bank account in Monaco is one of the hardest steps. Banks require strong documentation, proof of funds, and a clear business model. If anything looks unclear or high risk, approval can be delayed or denied. Now, here's where it gets interesting again. Monaco does not charge personal income tax for most residents, but corporate taxation depends on your business activity and revenue sources. Certain companies may be subject to corporate tax, if a significant portion of revenue comes from outside Monaco. Finally, ongoing compliance is strict. You will need accounting records, annual filings, and proper corporate governance. Monaco authorities take compliance very seriously. So here's the bottom line. Starting a company in Monaco in 2026 is not fast or casual. It is a structured approval-based system designed for serious business operations with real economic substance. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which country you want to see next.